Alrighty guys, welcome back. Today I want to show you guys how to claim your NOIS airdrop. If you guys got this NOIS airdrop, which if you were an injective staker in several other chains, then you got this, then you're eligible for this. So let's dive right into this because I'm going to show you guys really quick how to do this. It's very simple, very easy. If you guys were staked on any one of these chains, Juno, Stars, Injective, Osmo, then you guys probably are eligible for this. What you need to do is come on in to your Kepler wallet or your Cosmos wallet. Come down here. In Leap, it's much easier in my opinion. Come down here, you just hit claim, and when you hit claim, it's going to go ahead and take you to the welcome to the NOIS RAN drop. Then at that point you'd hit connect, and you'd connect your wallet, whichever wallet that you'd connect to the process, and then you'll see this menu pop up. It's gonna make you approve each one of these individually, right? You're gonna have to approve Juno and then Stars. I wonder if I could do it with mine. Let me go ahead and do it with mine and see if it shows you. See, there it is, Juno, Stars, Injective. It didn't make me reconnect them, but you're gonna have to approve like 5 transactions just to get them all to load up. There's the amount that I got. When this pops up, it'll tell you whether or not you're eligible. I was eligible for this one. I had to roll the dice. It's not a guarantee. It's a RAN drop, not an airdrop, meaning you're not guaranteed this. Matter of fact, 2/3 of people might not get the airdrop, and the 1/3 that gets it are going to get 3 times as many tokens airdropped. So I actually got it on 2 out of 3 of my wallets. I got 60 tokens on each wallet. This one was a little higher, 60.06. The other one was exactly 60. Once you've claimed it, it's going to take like a minute or two. Roll the dice, go get a cup of coffee, come back, and it'll tell you whether or not you won. If you won, it said you won, check your wallet, and it'll show this amount right here. And then you have 2 options. You could either transfer it to the NOIS chain or stake it on the NOIS chain, right? When you hit transfer, this is where it's going to take you. It's going to pull you on in here, and then you guys are going to have the opportunity. You're going to have to, because it's going to be on Injective, you're going to take it from Injective, and then you're going to type in NOIS. You're going to have its very own chain, guys. And by the way, if you didn't have their chain, it's going to connect. It's going to ask you to connect their chain to your wallet. Just look at the transaction so you know what it is, so you're not freaking out or anything. Then you want to come into here and type in the name of the NOIS right there, and then boom, you guys are here. You hit connect your wallet right here, and you can connect any which one of your wallets. I'll connect that wallet. It says that I only have that much because I've already transferred this. You can go ahead and just add that, you know, hit max and transfer that preview route. So it's going to send it from Injective to NOIS. You hit preview. That's okay. Low information trade. There you go. This is what you're having right here. It's going to send it over like that. It'll say transfer NOIS from Injective to NOIS. It'll ask you what you want to do here, which, I mean, like, it's only a penny. I'm just showing you this is a sample transaction. It's going to take about a minute. It says you could safely navigate from this page while your transaction is pending, but I don't think there's a reason to do it because it's very quick. Transfer from NOIS to Injective. There's your check mark, and then there you go. Boom, transfer successful. Now once your transfer is successful, you guys can come on in here, pop open your wallet, and you guys can switch over here and type in NOIS right there. Boom. And then there it is, NOIS. There's your NOIS tokens, guys. 60 NOIS tokens on the NOIS chain. You have to go and switch to the NOIS chain to view these now on there. And like I said, ibc.fun. They're going to load this page automatically, but make sure that it's that page. And here is the NOIS network. I was actually kind of depressed when I came over to see how much it was worth because I only got 120 tokens total. I got $8. I got an $8 random airdrop. I didn't know I was going to get it. It's $8 for free. I mean, like, I'm happy with it. I'm not going to complain. And he says, oh, lit. Okay. Yeah. No, I mean, like, maybe this thing will do something, though. Maybe it'll go to an area 30 cents. I don't know. Who knows? Maybe the thing will go to $1 one day, and this will be like a $300 that we made here today. So there it is, guys. That's all I've got for you guys. Want to keep this video short and sweet. If you got value, smash that like button and subscribe because I'm going to bring you guys all of the airdrop tutorials that I'm getting in for the future and altcoin fun. All right, guys. Take care. Have an amazing day.